Hi students, in this video we are going to see about multi-stage and combining network topic in module 4. So in this video we are going to talk about omega networks, how we can do routing in or using omega networks. So these omega networks are the types of one blocking network which comes under the topic of multi-stage internetworking connections. So this is simply abbreviated as MIN. MIN is nothing but multi-stage interconnection network, and these are all the class of high-speed computer network. Okay, so this will come under the topic of high-speed computer networks, usually composed of processing elements. On one end of the network and memory elements on the other end. Okay, so it is going to make a communication between the processing elements, number of processing elements with the number of memory elements. Okay, and this multi-stage internetworking connections will come under the topic of dynamic networks. So this is another ways called as dynamic networks. How we can achieve the dynamic network in this topic means by using switching concepts. So the switching elements are themselves usually connected to each other in stages. Okay, so here in multi-stage, why it is named as multi-stage means this in switching elements are themselves are connected to form a multiple stages. Okay, in multi-stage internetwork connections, this is formed by cascading multiple single stage switches. Okay, it is how it is formed means it is formed by cascading a multiple single stage switches. The switches can then use their own net routing algorithms or controlled by centralized routers. So the switches can use their own control algorithm, or it can use a centralized algorithm, router algorithm for its complete connections. There are three types of multi-stage interconnect networks are there. What are those means? Non-blocking. Second one is rearrangeable non-blocking, and third one is blocking. Here non-blocking is a network can connect at any ideal input to any ideal output. Okay, so it can connect any ideal input to any ideal output. Okay, so this is what happened in the non-blocking system. In blocking, what happened, it is an opposite of this one. So it cannot realize all possible connections between inputs and outputs. So in blocking networks, it is purely dynamic. So in this type, it cannot realize the possibility of input made with outputs, because why it is means it is a connection between one free input to the another free output. Okay, so it is a connection made between the one free input to another free output. Thereby it blocks an existing connection in the network. Okay, so in blocking networks, we cannot realize the possible connection, because it will made only with the free input to the another free output, and thereby blocking an existing connection. So this omega networks will come under the category of blocking only. Then second one is rearrangeable non-blocking. So here one variation, it is a one variation from non-blocking type. So what will happen means here, this type of network can establish all possible connections between inputs and outputs by rearranging its existing connection. Here the existing connections are changing. It is going to be altered. How it is altered means by altering some possible connections between the inputs and outputs. Okay, so this is what rearrangeable non-blocking network. Now we are going to see about the omega network. Omega network, it comes under the blocking type of multi-stage interconnection network. That means multi-stage MIN. Here this diagram shows the general arrangement made in a one omega network. It shows the 2x2 switching networks. So here the omega network consists of multiple stages. What are the multiple stages means? Here A1 stage, B1 stage and C1 stage are the three stages given here. And 2x2 switching element. Here the switching element takes two inputs and two outputs. So that's what it is, 2x2 switching element. And here input is it is making the communication with the processing element, that means CPU with memory. Okay, here each input has dedicated connection to one output. Here if you take each input 0 0 0 is a one input, mean it has a dedicated lines, it is a dedicated connection is made with its output. So then n star n omega network has logarithmic power of n number of stages, log of n number of stages. If you take 2x2 means log 2 of stages are allowed, and n divided by 2 number of switching element in each stage. Okay, if you take n cross n 8 cross 8 omega network means 8 divided by 4, so 8 divided by 2, 4 number of switching elements in each stage are allowed, and it works with a perfect shuffle between the stages. It works with a perfect shuffle with the stages. And here is a one more diagram. It shows how this omega network is implemented without blocking. Okay, here one formula is the permutation formula pi 1. Pi 1 is equal to into the bracket 0 7 6 4 2 1 1 3 and 5 is given. So what it shows mean the connections from starts from 0 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 4, 4 to 2, then from 2 to 1, 1 to 3, then 1 3 to 5, again 5 itself 5 is connected. Okay, so there is a self connection between the 5 and 5. Then if I'll show, consider now 0 0 0 0 1 is a one input, that means the second input 0 0 1 is the input, wants to communicate with and wants to transfer its output to 0 1 1. Okay, so output is given on the right side, input is given in the input side, left side. So now consider, assume 0 0 1 wants to communicate with the 0 1 1 means how the connection, what are the switches are used here means here A, B, C are the three switches used here. Why? Because 0 0 1 is given as an input to A switch, from that the output is a direct output, it is given to the B switch as another one input. From the B switch is following crossover connection, so from fourth input to it is given as an output to the C switch as a second output. So it is directly given as output to external memories as 0 1 1. So this is what happening in a omega network without blocking. Okay, here one formulation is used, permutation formula, it is called as pi 1. Okay, I hope you understand this logic. I will catch you in the next video about next topic. Thank you.